Gutters play a critical role in protecting your home, yet they're often overlooked until a problem becomes impossible to ignore. For homeowners in Macomb, keeping an eye on gutter performance can prevent costly damage to roofs, siding, foundations, and landscaping. Understanding the most common gutter problems helps you spot issues early and take action before they turn into major repairs. Clogged gutters and downspouts. One of the most frequent gutter problems is clogging. Leaves, twigs, dirt, and debris can accumulate over time, preventing water from flowing properly. When gutters are clogged, water has nowhere to go and can spill over the edges. In Macomb homes, clogged gutters often lead to water pooling near the foundation or soaking into exterior walls. This excess moisture can cause erosion, staining, and even structural concerns if left unaddressed. Regular inspections help catch clogs before they create serious damage. Sagging or pulling gutters should sit firmly against the roofline, but over time they can begin to sag or pull away from the house. This often happens when gutters are weighed down by debris, standing water, or loose fasteners. For Macomb homeowners, sagging gutters are a warning sign that the system is under stress. When gutters aren't properly supported, they can't channel water effectively. This increases the risk of leaks, overflow, and eventual gutter failure. Leaks and small cracks or separated seams may not seem like a big issue at first, but they can quickly worsen. Even tiny leaks allow water to drip down siding or collect near the foundation, causing gradual damage that's easy to miss. Macomb homeowners should watch for water stains, peeling paint, or damp areas around the gutter system. These signs often indicate leaks that need attention before they spread and require more extensive repairs. Improper gutter pitched gutters rely on a slight slope to guide water toward the downspouts. If that pitch is incorrect, water can pool instead of flowing out. Standing water puts extra pressure on the gutter system and increases the likelihood of sagging and leaks. In Macomb, improper gutter pitch can go unnoticed until water starts spilling over or mosquitoes begin collecting around stagnant water. Correcting slope issues early helps maintain proper drainage and system longevity. Downspout drainage problems. Even when gutters are clear, downspouts can cause problems if they don't direct water far enough away from the home. Water that drains too close to the foundation can seep into the ground and cause long-term structural issues. Macomb homeowners should ensure downspouts are positioned to guide water safely away from the house. Poor drainage often shows up as pooling water, soil erosion, or damp basement areas. Rust, corrosion, and material wear over time. Exposure to moisture can lead to rust or corrosion, especially in older gutter systems. Once metal begins to deteriorate, it weakens the entire system and increases the risk of failure. For homeowners in Macomb, visible rust spots or flaking material are clear indicators that the gutter system may be nearing the end of its lifespan. Addressing these issues early can prevent sudden breakdowns during heavy rainfall. Overflow during rainfall. If water consistently spills over the edges of your gutters during rain, it's a sign that something isn't working properly. This could be due to clogs, improper sizing, or slope issues. Overflowing gutters can damage siding, wash away landscaping, and contribute to foundation problems. Macomb homeowners should treat frequent overflow as a signal to inspect the entire gutter system. Why early attention matters. Gutter problems rarely fix themselves. Small issues tend to grow over time, leading to more expensive repairs and potential damage to your home. By staying alert to common warning signs, homeowners in Macomb can protect their property and avoid unnecessary stress. Routine inspections and timely maintenance help ensure gutters continue doing their job, directing water safely away from your home and preserving its long-term condition. Catching problems early makes all the difference.